Humphrey, Humphrey, he's magical and everywhere. He's everyone's favorite adventure bear.
Oh, Humphrey, hello. What are you doing? Okay, you want to make toasted marshmallows? Humphrey, remember, safety is key when lighting a fire. Consider the surroundings, the materials, and always have water nearby. Fire extinguisher, matches, marshmallow roasting stick, oh, you're a silly little bear. What else do you need to get started? That's a big branch. No, Humphrey, are you sure it'll fit? We're gonna need a bigger pit, like fitting an elephant into a dog kennel. Where are your matches? Humphrey, what is in your pocket? Oh, Cluck, wrong pocket. Exciting surprise. A flower a day keeps the gloom away. Is it just me, or is your pocket playing tricks? Humphrey, the matches are right behind you. Humphrey, I don't think that will work. Getting help from an adult will ensure a safe and fun fire building experience.
Hey Humphrey, can I help you make a fire? I think we can do it a better way than this. Let me show you, I've been doing this for a long time. Alright, we've got our kindling and our wood and our fire starters. So let's move this guy out of the way. And first, we need some kindling. So we make a crisscross. Sorry. Like this. Yes, thank you. A crisscross. Now we're going to make a cave, like a bear lives in the winter. Hibernation. So make a nice cave here. Oh, remember, if you're making a fire, it's always best to do it with an adult. And we place the fire lighters in the cave. They're like little bears. Now we need those matches. Where are the matches gone? Thank you. See, with a little patience, it's easy to make a safe fire.
Marshmallows, yum! Well kids, that's the end of this episode, but if you would like to stay up to date with Humphrey's adventures, just hit the subscribe button below. Oh, bye for now.
Hang out with a adventure and fun.